We are all one. Ours is not a divided race, because when we came from the earth, we all had to have a mother together. The earth is one maternal body. If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Let the future tell the truth, and evaluate each one according to his work and accomplishments. Invention is the most important product of man's creative brain. The ultimate purpose is the complete mastery of mind over the material world, the harnessing of human nature to human needs. The day when we shall know exactly what electricity is will chronicle an event probably greater, more important than any other recorded in the history of the human race. The individual is ephemeral. Races and nations come and pass away, but man remains. I do not think you can name many great inventions that have been made by married men. The world is a mystery. It is full of secrets that cannot be fathomed. It is always unfolding. The scientists of today think deeply instead of clearly. One must be sane to think clearly, but one can think deeply and be quite insane. The future will show whether my foresight is as accurate now as it has proved heretofore. Our virtues and our failings are inseparable, like force and matter. When they separate, man is no more. To create and to annihilate material substance, cause it to aggregate in forms according to his desire, would be the supreme manifestation of the power of man's mind, his most complete triumph over the physical world, his crowning achievement, which would place him beside his Creator, make him fulfill his ultimate destiny. The individual is ephemeral. Races and nations come and pass away, but man remains. Therein lies the profound difference between the individual and the whole. The gift of mental power comes from God, divine being, and if we concentrate our minds on that truth, we become in tune with this great power. We crave for new sensations but soon become indifferent to them. The wonders of yesterday are today common occurrences. It is paradoxical, yet true, to say that the more we know, the more ignorant we become in the absolute sense, for it is only through enlightenment that we become conscious of our limitations. Precisely one of the most gratifying results of intellectual evolution is the continuous opening up of new and greater prospects. The day will come when the man at the telephone will be able to see the distant person to whom he is speaking. If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have a key to the universe. Antisocial behavior is a trait of intelligence in a world full of conformists. My brain is only a receiver. In the universe, there is a core from which we obtain knowledge, strength, and inspiration. I have not penetrated into the secrets of this core, but I know that it exists. The idea came like a flash of lightning, and in an instant the truth was revealed. Our entire biological system, the brain, and the earth itself work on the same frequencies. Of all the frictional resistance, the one that most retards human movement is ignorance. Our senses enable us to perceive only a minute portion of the outside world. Alpha waves in the human brain are between 6 and 8 Hz. The wave frequency of the human cavity resonates between 6 and 8 Hz. All biological systems operate in the same frequency range. The human brain's alpha waves function in this range, and the electrical resonance of the Earth is between 6 and 8 Hz. Thus, our entire biological system, the brain and the Earth itself, work on the same frequencies. If we can control that resonate system electronically, we can directly control the entire mental system of humankind. Peace can only come as a natural consequence of universal enlightenment. To know each other, we must reach beyond the sphere of our sense perceptions. It will soon be possible to transmit wireless messages around the world so simply that any individual can carry and operate his own apparatus. In the 21st century, the robot will take the place which slave labor occupied in ancient civilization. Love. I recognize the emotion for what it is, an irrational self-destructive impulse, which is disguised as joy. The beauty and the scent of roses can be used as a medicine, and the sun rays as a food.